This is my Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R, and this is an exhaust by M4 Performance that we're going to put on this today. And you might be wondering, why are we swapping the exhaust? Well, this is what it sounds like now. Not very loud. Let's get into it. Alright. Now, let's open the exhaust. Exhaust I decided to go with is the M4 GP19 slip-on. Heard a lot of great things about it. Heard a lot of great and amazing things about this exhaust, the way it sounds, the way it looks. It is a shorty exhaust, so it's gonna slide up nicely into that tail. Alright, we're back. It was long and arduous. We had to get these bullshit servo cables out. What you kind of have to do is connect the servo here. There's gonna be like an 8mm. I'll show you where it is. It's right here on this. You loosen this up, bring this towards the cable this way. And it puts enough slack on this to where you can pull these little beaded ends right here out after you loosen this little 10mm. And then it loosens up here. You take those off, and then you just kind of fish the whole thing through. There is a little clip that's kind of like buried under here. You just get a screwdriver and kind of like take it off, and then you just fish it all through. But yeah, that was really fucking annoying. So let's get back into it. Right off, just like that. Chunkiest thing. It's heavy. Very, very heavy. How it feels. weight reduction here. Alright, now that she's all done, let's start her up and see how she sounds. Well, sounds pretty fucking good. Thanks for watching.